So we have a really interesting topic to cover today. One of the hottest requests is how to buy NFTs, how to mint NFTs early, or how to find good projects so you make the most profit out of it. Before we jump into the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm, as this will make the video visible for more people. With that being said, in this video we'll be looking at what methods and tools you should use to find good projects that could 10 times X or 100 times X your profit in the first 48 hours. We will start with the basics that many of you already know, but for the new ones out there, we will make an recap because I think it is really important to know about these tools. First of all, the website you use to collect information about projects will make a really big difference in not throwing your money out the window. We will look at some websites that are really useful in finding NFTs early. First, we will have a look at the most popular website to find NFTs, which is rarity.tools. Here we have a separate sections for upcoming collections. Scrolling down here, we will be able to find a variety of projects that are expected to be launched in the near future. If we take for example this project, here we have the size of the collection, the mint price, and we are able to have a look at its social media profiles. This will help us collect more info about the projects before making a decision on it. Now another super popular website that we use a lot will be nftcatcher.io. These two websites are similar as they are both for Ethereum NFTs, and all cool projects will be published on one of these websites. I personally use them both and check all new uploaded projects every once in a while to not miss out on good offers. Those were for Ethereum NFTs, but there is also a dedicated website for upcoming drops on the Solana blockchain. Before we jump into it, leave a like on this video, and for doing so I will show you a picture of this cat. As about Solana, we have a website named howrare.is. Here in a similar way, we can analyze the social links of a project, as there are a ton of new projects releasing on Solana. You might also find this website really useful in selecting projects to invest in. Now we will have a look at some more advanced tools useful in filtering good projects. These tools are called mint trackers, and how they really work is they will track in real time which projects are being minted and in what quantity, so you are able to have a look at those projects and possibly also mint. This will help you detect projects that were released without any publications on social media or any websites for upcoming projects. First website that we will be looking at will be ic.tools. Here we will go to the collection tab and we will find a variety of projects. They can be sorted by time, from a minute up to 30 days. Scrolling down here, we will see the most minted collection at the moment, the collection floor price, sales, the average sale price, volume traded, and the market cap of a specific project. As a similar website we have Nansen.ai. Unlike IC Tools, where everything is pretty much free, here the plans are really high. The light free version will give you a simple look at the projects, where if you want to go in a more advanced mode, you might want to have a look at their premium plans. Here most people go for the standard plan, which is $149 a month or $1,400 for the yearly plan. Now there is also mobi.gg for similar features. It's good to know they are out there and check them from time to time, but a personal choice still remains IC Tools. An NFT scanner is really useful over time, as only scrolling through Twitter NFT trends or what you see on ranking in the OpenSea website will not help you get that one project that will get you that 10 times X profit that quick. In order to have a look at how this works, we will select a project, like this one for example. Here we have the details about it. We will check out their website first, see what do they have about their collection, like what's the story behind the project. I also do try my best to filter out scam collection by also checking their audience and whether or not is it fake. This can be done by going to their Instagram page and see how many likes and comments do they get comparing to the numbers of followers. Same thing for Twitter and Discord. On a Discord channel you can also see how often the people are interacting with the community and how often the page owners interact with its followers, because usually scam projects, once they sold out, their social media accounts go silent or get deleted. If you don't want to be exposed to this risk, then you might want to pay attention to all this information. These are the ways and tools that I personally use to detect good NFT projects early. Let me know in the comments below which of these methods you found the most useful. If you ended up finding value in this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out any future videos. You might also want to check out top 10 NFT play to earn games that you can play on both your computer and your phone.